Hello Sudoku friends, good afternoon. Welcome today in a daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, April the 5th, 2023. Not so good news today because today we have only three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary, medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. There's no additional, let me show you. No extra puzzles. What I will do is in the yesterday's edition I have three puzzles left. I will solve those three puzzles in the evening. Here, no extra puzzles. Okay. So in the yesterday's edition of Tuesday, April the 4th, 2023, three puzzles are left. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, and tectonic with 1 star. These three I will solve in the evening. But first, let me solve this one first. By the way, the news of today, well, it's war day number 406. 406 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, binary puzzle number 6229. Before I start, I always count with printed digits. Well, this one, cannot believe this, 42 printed digits. What's happening? Publisher, too much printed digits. Should be an easy one. We will see if this is really a simple or easy one. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1's. Alright, double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between two O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1's, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Completed in 4 minutes. Well. Told you it should be an easy one. Yeah, no stars. Publisher, no stars. Without comparing. It's not a challenge. This again. Yesterday we have also a binary, also with a lot of printed digits. So it's not a challenge to solve that puzzle. It's a waste of paper and printing inked. Yes. So I hope you enjoy this puzzle. Otherwise, thumbs up or thumbs down. If you like this, you can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a medium Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.